So we have now finally arrived in Fuerteventura in Spain, and we are just trying to find the exit right now to go and get just trying to find the rental company that is going to provide us a car. We have finally got the keys to our Kia, and we're just looking for the car. And oh baby, here she is. What do you think, man? Thumbs up. This car is so damn nice. This is a Kia. I can't remember what it is. It's a Kia anyway, as you can see. But it is so nice. It is so new. It's so clean. The clutch is absolutely amazing. What do you think, babe? Happy? We have now got the keys to our room, and gosh, the place is so nice. It's so tranquil, it's so clean as well, and yeah, there's a lot to do here. There's a lot going on. So yeah, we're just gonna try and find our room, settle in, and then yeah. This is our room 4177. This place is hella nice. I'll just give you a little quick guided tour. As you come in, you've got the living room, so we're at the top floor. You've got the living room here, and then you've got a little kitchen here. It is so clean, very well designed. And then here on the left is your toilet. That is hella clean as well, so nice. And then this is the bedroom. Look how nice that is. And I think there's also access to the balcony. Oh my god. We have now got our food. Oh my god, it is. You spoiled for choices here. And food is so nice as well. The quality of the food is so nice. Grab some breakfast. It's about 8 AM right now, and yeah, we're just having some breakfast.